Yo, check this out, bro. Sheesh. Damn. That fitment though. Yo, what is happening, guys? Man, you're not. I don't even want to say nothing. Let's go open this up. Watch. See that box right there, though. You see that box right there, though. Damn. Oh shit! Let's go check it out, guys. Yo, you know how long we've been waiting for this, man. For a very long time. And it's finally here. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Yo, the boxing is actually really nice. Sarona. Please inspect it. Oh. Yo, that's crazy. Damn! Easy, dog. This is it. Got my Aspec kit, man.
What the? That's right. You had no idea, did you?
I'm just excited. In fact, I've never been more excited in my entire life.
Final freaking lead, bro. Look at that, man. They packaged it real nice.
Yes. It's astounding.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hey, if you guys are new, this channel is a lot about cars in general, especially the TL, this TL, 4th gen TLs. If you guys are new, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like it. Look what we have today, guys. Finally came in through Sarona, guys. I paid almost $1,600 for this kit, and it comes basically with the rear lip, front lip, and the side skirt, all the body kit for it, and they did a pretty damn good job making it, guys. So I'm about to unbox it. Let's go. They taped everything down. Even the, yeah, not bad, guys. About to check the fitment, guys, but before I do, check this out. I love how they put their logo right there. Sarona.com. Whoo. This fiberglass, by the way, guys. So this the inside. Check this out. Looks like they riveted their logo there. Sarona, made in the USA. Hope you can see that. That's pretty dope, though, man. Closer look. Bottom section. I'm guessing this is the same exact Aspec kit from Acura. They made a pretty damn good replica, guys. So I'm gonna set this on top of the exhaust. So this is not gonna set properly because I have to cut out this section right here. This has to be cut off in order for it to sit properly. But for now, it's not gonna sit flush, guys. But check that fitment though, really smooth. Gotta push it in, but it's all good. Check that corner right there. Same for the other piece. God dang, I can't wait, man. Whew, that thing gonna be sick, man.
Daddy, can you please open this for me? It's
Yeah,
pepper.
Sure, I got you.
it.
There you go, hold it. Got it?
Hold it.
But check out that corner. Excuse me, sweetie. Check out that corner again. Man, it's pretty consistent, guys. I like how consistent it is. They did a really good job, guys. Really good job. Although it sucks that it doesn't come with the bracket or any hardware, so I definitely have to improvise. And I have an idea of what I need, so I should be good. Should be good, man. Today we're just going to be checking for fitment. Hopefully it all fits well. It looks really good. Check out the front lip though. That's sick. Side skirt. I did not know that I ordered the whole like kit for the whole car, which was $1,500, maybe $1,600. And it actually came with the side skirts on both sides. So I will be selling this because I already have one. I'll be selling this, guys. But check it out, dude. So I'll put it on. Not bad, guys, not bad. It fits really well. Not bad, dude. The back already looks crazy, dog. Obviously needs to get painted, but damn, I can't wait. That fitment looks perfect all the way around. I'm gonna put masking tape and let it hang there and see what it looks like with it on. But looks like I gotta take off this under spoiler. This has to come off. Then I'll see what it looks like. So I may take it off real quick. But the rear, it's gonna look crazy, yo. I wish it was brighter outside, but I was gonna take off the bumper, front rear bumper today. It looks like my painter, he won't get to the car until next week, and I really don't want to ride around like no bumper and no front and rear bumper. So I'm gonna keep these bumpers on. I think the test fitment in the back looks really great. I'll go ahead and pass this. It already came with some holes already there. And I'll show you. So it came with holes here, there, as you can see. Came with some over here, and they fit really well, actually. Really surprised. They did a good job making these. So guys, this is almost off. I got 1, 2, and there's another one on the other side. There's 3 more bolts. They're rusted onto that little metal bracket, so it's gonna be a pain in the ass to take off. The goal is today to just test fit it, make sure it's perfect, and then I'll go ahead and get it painted. So I'm gonna try to take off those things at least. It's gotta come off, guys. I have to test fit it no matter what. All right, one side is off, one more to go. Man, these little brackets, they always be rusting. This big piece of leaf I found out there. I wonder how long it's been in there. Both of them off now. Let's go ahead and test fit it. Yo, check this out, bro. Sheesh. Damn. That fitment though. Damn, that looks awesome. I don't even need these things on, man. I could take these off actually. Like it just hugs the damn car. Holy shit. It just snaps on there. Ooh, that's crazy, bro. That is wild. Man, he just hugs it. Oh man. Now obviously I gotta make brackets for it, guys. But it's all good. No problem, I can make it. Damn, they did a damn good job, y'all. Really, really happy with the front Aspec kit, guys. Sorry for the lighting, it sucks, but let me lower that car real quick. Damn, dog. That should look, look at that, man. That's perfect. It is snug. Good. Holy shit, man. Good job, Sarona. Mad props to y'all. Look at that whole sleeping lineup right there. Dang. That looks good. Damn, good job. Man. Wow. Really, really happy with the fitment. Fiberglass. Damn, I look good. Very happy with it. Sheesh. Already got the side skirts. Man, good job. Very nice, very nice. Very nice, guys, very nice. The way the Aspec kit is installed, the OEM style, how Acura does it, I'm gonna do it the same exact way. I have all my ideas already on how I'm gonna do it. I gotta get a whole bunch of parts and all this and that stuff. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like it, and subscribe for more, guys. Appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks.